Ever wondered how to whip up a batch of delightful mochi balls with just two simple ingredients? Well, today is your lucky day. Imagine a bowl filled with sweet rice flour. Into this, pour half a cup of condensed milk. The sweet, creamy milk blends with the powdery flour, creating a beautiful concoction ready to be transformed into a culinary delight. Then, with the flick of a spoon, stir the two ingredients together. Watch as they slowly combine to form a dough that's smooth yet sticky, the perfect consistency for your mochi balls. Now comes the fun part. Take this dough and roll it into small bite-sized balls. This is where the magic happens. These little balls, seemingly simple, are about to become a delicious treat that packs a punch of flavor. Voila! Your homemade mochi balls are ready for the tasting. Sink your teeth into one and relish the soft, chewy texture that makes these treats so irresistible. But the fun doesn't stop there. Feel free to experiment and add your favorite flavors or toppings. The possibilities are endless with this versatile recipe. Who knows? You might just create the next big flavor sensation. Isn't it amazing what you can do with just two ingredients and a bit of creativity? So go ahead, give this recipe a try and experience the hash mochi magic for yourself. And that's a wrap for today's culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, show some love by hitting that like button, sharing this video, and subscribing to this channel. Stay tuned for more easy and delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!